Hey, what's up, guys? It's the Jimmy Repair Guy, and today what I have for review is this Jimmy animated air-blown tabletop snow globe with three snowmen. Let it snow. I have the box here also. um, I got this guy for not a good price, but it was worth it because this thing was barely used. Um, For one, the fan is extremely strong. It inflates really quick. The North Pole sign isn't broken off. The only issue is all the static electricity on it, but that's expected. Um, the snowmen are actually posed correctly, so I'm guessing nobody really touched them on the inside. Uh, but this particular one was produced in 2005. I don't know the price it probably would have sold for. I'm guessing maybe $30 because of how big it is. Um, so I'll move on to the box. It says air blown inflatable. It's actually snowing inside. New. Motion sound activated. Lights up. Inflatables. It plays 11 different holiday songs. Go to the side. There is a picture of it. It's actually snowing inside. Holiday decor for your tabletop. On the back is just a set of instructions. Um, like straighten the pole, put in the snow. When this thing would come brand new, it would have the packet of snow, like the snow pellets in a separate bag behind it. Then it plays Jingle Bells, Deck the Halls, Hark the Herald Angels sings, Joy to the World, Oh Christmas Tree, Oh Come On All Ye Faithful, Oh Little Town of Belgium, or no, Belgium, Belfam, Silent Night, The First Snow, 12 Days of Christmas, and We Wish You a Merry Christmas. Jimmy 2005, Jimmy Industries Corp. And it takes a 12-volt adapter, 600 milliamp. It's the same on the sides, but well, that's the box. And now to the actual item. When you flip it around, it has a switch, a three-way switch. Turn on my flash. Motion is music and blowing snow. On is just blowing snow, which is weird. It should be the other way around, in my opinion. And then the middle is off. It's not faded at all, which is good. If I can just rotate it. Alright, turn off my flash, and then I'll get to playing it. I don't know if I'm gonna do all the songs, because it takes like forever, but we'll see. Let it inflate, and then I'll play it. And like I said, it inflates really fast. Well, I think I'm going to stop it there, but there you have it.